Hello students, welcome back. It's Mamta Mehendiratta here for English classes, and as the tense were going on, present, past, future, and today's topic is perfect continuous. Perfect continuous tense has a special thing about it is that the indication of time, and the use of has, have, had plus continuity of continuous tense means ing form. और जब हम इसको हिंदी में सेंटेंस का इंडिकेशन देते हैं तो इसको हम ऐसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं कि अंश 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहा है. तो हेयर्स प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस. द सिंपल सेंटेंसेस सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज़ हैव प्लस बीन प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस सिंस फॉर प्लस टाइम. For negative, subject plus has have plus not plus been plus first form ing plus object plus since for plus time. And for interrogatives, has have plus subject plus been plus first form ing plus object plus since for plus time. Example: Ansh has been studying since last 2 hours. Ansh has not been studying since last 2 hours. Has Ansh been studying since last 2 hours? Next, past perfect continuous tense. Simple sentences subject plus had been plus first form ing plus object plus since for plus time. For negatives, subject plus had not been plus first form ing plus object plus since for plus time. For interrogatives, had plus subject plus been plus first form ing plus object plus since for plus time. Example: Ansh had been studying since last 2 hours. For negatives, Ansh had not been studying since last 2 hours. Interrogative: had Ansh been studying since last 2 hours? Next and the last is future perfect continuous. For simple sentences, as we have already discussed, that will, shall will be definitely used in future sentences. So here for the indication of perfect continuous, we'll use have been after will or shall. Accordingly, as shall is used for I and we, and will for all other subjects. So simple sentences subject plus will, shall plus have plus been plus first form ing plus object plus since for plus time. For negative, subject plus will, shall plus not plus have been plus first form ing plus object plus since for plus time. For interrogatives, will, shall plus subject plus have been plus first form ing plus object plus since for plus time. Example: Ansh will have been studying since last 2 hours. Ansh will not have been studying since last 2 hours. Will Ansh have been studying since last 2 hours? Now for the use of since and for. As in prepositions, we have already discussed that is the since से. पिछले 2 घंटे से के लिए since या for का यूज़ होना होता है. So here's the main difference between both is since means point of time and for means period of time. So any indefinite period of time we can use for, as 2 hours, 2 weeks, 3-4 months, 7 years, 10 years, etc. And when we use since, that is before the names of the month, like since January, February. Names of the days: Monday, Tuesday. Dates: 20, 30. Years like 2020, etc. And for morning means where the point of time is described, their values since. Okay, rest in next videos. Thanks for watching me, subscribing me. Bye.